Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to get followers in the Medium platform. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open or connect to your web portal with your account. And if you do not have already one, just sign up with your Google or Facebook account, or you can sign up with an email. After you are connected to your account, you will find yourself in this homepage. So now to get followers, we need people to click on follow when we are writing something. So basically, we will need to write and publish some stories. To do so, we will need to write, click on write, and then we will need to have some topic to talk about. So let's, for example, how to get followers in Medium, like in Medium. So now we need to write things and make sure that your writings you write like some good stories and good writing and that they will be attractive. Also, you will need, for example, to have some illustrations to make more visual effects or and give more clearance to your topic here by clicking on the plus sign and click on image, and then you will start doing more explanation and other things. After you finish your stories and you have completed all the things that you want to add into your writing, you will need to publish your writing and click on publish now, and you will have your story that will be published. And now people can uh, get to your stories and they will find them here in the main menu, and after that they will start reading if they like your content. After you creating too much topics and too much stories, they will start following you, and with this method you will get followers in the Medium website. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.